This is a guitar lesson for Lady Gaga's brand new song, 1,000 Doves. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, how is everybody doing? Welcome along to this lesson where I'm going to teach you how to play an acoustic version of 1,000 Doves by Lady Gaga. Now, to play this Lady Gaga song, what we're going to do is the following. You are going to need a capo on the 2nd fret. And once you've that on, you're going to begin by getting a C major 7 chord. So with your C major 7, all you need to do is play a C shape and take your index off. Now, let's take a look. You see there are only 3 main chords in this section. And we've C major 7, and let's skip ahead 2 bars and we'll get E minor 7. And by the way, a little change tip there would be your middle finger can wait in the same place for both of those chords. So C major 7, then E minor 7, and finally D. Okay, common question I get for E minor 7 is, Dave, can I just use these 3 fingers? And the answer is, yes, you can. The only thing is, sometimes with songs, if you try and keep one finger in the same place, it will really help for the changes. So we'll go like this. The whole line sounds as follows. And you notice that I am playing my D a bit unusual. I have my pinky there on this one and my index in middle. We usually play D this way, and like I said a minute ago, you can, but I don't know, it just kind of works well for this one. So if you want to try more of that. Now, that covers our verse, our pre-chorus, chorus, and post-chorus. You may be asking, surely there are more chords. But here's the deal. They use like production and stuff to make it sound cool. But stay tuned to the end of this lesson because there are more sections to learn. Don't just like rush off and go, got it. Because there are extra bits to watch out for. So, this is the verse. So I will just gently lilt a bit of the verse. I'll go 1, 2, 3. And then, so lift me up, you see it flows throughout the whole lot of those sections. So what I sang there was the verse and the pre-chorus. Now, the deal is, it's like, well, how many of those do I play? And the way I'd suggest you begin to think about it is, well, just keep playing it. And if you want to sing the words, sing them. And this rhythm we're about to get into will help with the singing. Now, let's take a look at the rhythm. So we get this. We get 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. More commonly known as down, 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 up, down, up, 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 down, up, down. So that's pretty straightforward. Now look out for this chord change here because this is a bit unusual. E minor 7 to D. That D just changes just a touch ahead of what you may have experienced before. Like that. Okay, so that is the verse, the pre-chorus, the chorus, and the post-chorus. Now, what I will do at the end, I will play through those sections. But before I do, we've got to get into the bridge. That's the section that goes... I've been hurting, stuck inside a cage, so hard my heart's been in a rage. That bit, okay? And you notice I'm keeping my hand in time by strumming the other beats. So though I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm strumming the 2, 3, 4. That'll really help. Okay, so let's have a playthrough of it. Now, for the purposes of this playthrough, I am just going to give you a little disclaimer. Since I only heard this today, the rhythm may vary slightly at times. The one that is taught in the lesson here, that is a really good bass rhythm to use. Just in case you're about to start commenting going, hey, why are you doing different rhythm? Because I'm just going to listen to it here in my headphones and play along with it and sing it. Okay? So again, just for guidance purposes. Lonely, please don't judge me when your tears are falling. I'll catch them as they fall. So it's all single strums for the verse. Listen to me, please don't leave me. I'm not perfect yet, but I'll keep trying. You can play the rhythm if you want, but sounds pretty cool. Now I'll pick up the rhythm on the pre-chorus. 'Cause inside we are really made the same. In life, waiting's just a stupid game. Chorus, so lift me up, start, 'cause I've been flying with some broken arms. Lift me up, just a small nudge, 'cause I've been flying like 1,000 doves, 1,000 doves. And that'll bring us into the hook. Now that's just plain, so I'm just gonna wait. So you can 1,000 doves. Okay, here comes verse 2. Don't really see me, I am human, invisibly bleeding. When your arm is shaking, I'll catch you as you fall. I cry, pre-chorus, will say, each time your love seems to save the day. Okay, chorus then. So lift me up, give me a start, 'cause I've been flying with some broken arms. Same again. And I'll cut out here because I got the post chorus. It'll go 1,000 doves. 1,000 doves. Now here comes the bridge. I've been hurting, stuck inside a cave, so heart's been in a rave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Third time. Now we're going to the chorus and it'll be one strum. Me up, give me a start, 'cause I've been flying with some broken arms. Lift me up, just a small nudge, and I'll be flying like 1,000 doves. Post chorus. Now loop around. And that'll bring us to the end. And that will be it. Alright guys, that is how to play 1,000 Doves by Lady Gaga. If you want to hit subscribe to keep up to date for more lessons, do so. Really cool to hear how you get on with this song. And of course, any questions at any stage, pop a comment below. And hit like on the video too. That would be brilliant. Thank you. We'll see you very soon.